Hey everyone, it's my black check. Just have a look over here. Colony bull bars, my fly pheno grips, Colin Concabarans, Superstar Revolt stem, Colony Guardian forks, Odyssey Hazard rim, Odyssey Vandero 2 hub with black spokes, a fit FAF tire, Colony pivotal seat, some random crappy post, Colony plastic pedals, a YBN half-link chain, a Colony 25 tooth sprocket, Colony cranks, a TWW white wall tire, chrome 7K8 Odyssey rim, pink Odyssey hub, and black spokes. It's my black check. I'm gonna get some new parts soon, so I'll make another check after that. Have fun.